Maltese dogs and barking control, training tips. Maltese dogs are known for their small size, adorable appearance, and gentle nature. However, like any other breed, they are prone to barking excessively if not properly trained. Excessive barking can be a nuisance for both the owner and the neighbors. Therefore, teaching your Maltese dog to control their barking is essential. In this article, we will discuss some effective training tips to help you inculcate good barking behavior in your furry friend. Understanding the reasons for barking. Before we delve into training tips, it's important to understand why Maltese dogs bark excessively. By doing so, you can address the root cause behind the behavior effectively. Some common reasons for excessive barking in Maltese dogs include 1. Attention seeking. Maltese dogs are highly affectionate and love being at the center of attention. They may resort to excessive barking as a means to seek attention from their owners. 2. Protectiveness. Maltese dogs have a strong instinct to protect their territory and loved ones. They may bark excessively to ward off potential threats or unfamiliar people or animals. 3. Anxiety and fear. Maltese dogs are prone to separation anxiety and can easily get frightened. They may bark excessively when left alone or when they encounter a new and unfamiliar environment. Now that we have identified some common reasons for excessive barking, let's move on to the training tips to control this behavior. Training tips for barking control. 1. Socialization. Maltese dogs that are well socialized tend to bark less. Introduce your Maltese to different people, animals, and environments from a young age. This will help them become more comfortable and confident in various situations, reducing their tendency to bark excessively. 2. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is one of the most effective training methods for any dog breed, including Maltese dogs. Reward your dog with treats, praise, and affection whenever they exhibit calm behavior and refrain from barking unnecessarily. This will reinforce the idea that being quiet is desirable and will encourage them to repeat this behavior in the future. 3. Distraction techniques. When your Maltese starts barking excessively, distract them with something else that captures their attention. For example, you can use a favorite toy or engage them in a game. This will redirect their focus and help them calm down without resorting to barking. 4. Desensitization. If your Maltese barks excessively due to fear or anxiety, desensitization techniques can be helpful. Gradually expose your dog to the stimuli that trigger their barking, starting from a distance. Over time, decrease the distance and reward your dog with treats for maintaining a calm composure. This technique will help them associate the triggers with positive experiences and reduce their need to bark excessively. 5. Consistency and patience. Training a dog, especially to control barking, requires consistency and patience. Set clear boundaries and stick to them consistently. Avoid reinforcing barking behavior by giving in to your dog's demands or shouting at them. Instead, be patient and provide positive reinforcement for desired behavior consistently. Excessive barking can be a common issue among Maltese dogs, but with proper training and patience, it can be controlled effectively. Remember that understanding the reasons behind your dog's barking is crucial in addressing the behavior. Use positive reinforcement, distraction techniques, and desensitization to train your Maltese to bark less. Lastly, be consistent and patient throughout the training process. With time, your Maltese dog will learn to control their barking, making them a well-behaved companion for you and a considerate neighbor for others.